Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to enable calls line preferences on Android phone. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do is to simply head over to your phone call. So simply click on your iPad, just like so. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on SIM card settings. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on SIM card and mobile network. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on mobile network. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do, if you are using dual SIM phone, what you need to do is to simply click on your one of the SIM line. So having click on that, it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on calls preferences. It take you right here. Now you have three options right here. The first option here is one of the line, and the second option here is the second line on your phone. The very third one here is ask me every time. Now, each time if you put it in this particular SIM card, it simply means that each time you want to make call on your phone, whether you have call card on your phone or you do not have call card, automatically this SIM is going to be present and available. So if you click on here again and choose this particular one, which is MTN Nigeria, this simply means that each time I want to make call on this phone, MTN Nigeria is going to be my preference calls. Whether I have call card on it or not, it's going to be in my primary dial pad. Alternatively, if I click on call preference right here again and I select ask me every time. When you select ask me every time, this simply means that each time you want to dial a call or you want to make a call on your phone, it's going to ask you whether you want to use the SIM 1 or SIM 2. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how best to enable call line preference and how you can understand your call line preference on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about how best to use your Android phone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.